Look what I got. Show everybody how you walk. Come here. Look what I got. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Frankenstein. Good girl. You're only 12 and a half months and you walk now. Good girl. Can you say hi? Say hi. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Yes. Now where are you going to go? You're going to take that bead back. And you got to let go of my finger. You can do it all by yourself. Good girl. Good girl. Yay, Linnea. What are you going to do next? Oh. You going to give me an H? Come here. Oh. Good girl. Thanks for the H. Oh. Can you give me a kiss? Good girl. Okay. Now you're going to take the H back? Okay. Oh, you don't want to take it back? Oh, you're going to put it in your toy? There you go. Good girl. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Linnea. Bye-bye.